Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday, 8:03 in the morning. So we're preparing because today we will be seeing an oral surgeon for the second time around. So if you guys remember on my previous video that we took my eldest daughter to an oral surgeon because of her teeth. So we already had ideas kung ano yung dapat gawin about her teeth na may tumubo nga sa kanyang soft palate. But my husband was not really like convinced pa with that oral surgeon, so we wanted to have a second opinion for another oral surgeon. So today we will be going to College Station again for another like consultation. Her appointment will be 9 in the morning, so we have to leave in 25 minutes. Don't know if I should say more about this thing. Nagpakita talaga. I love this lipstick so much. Tingnan nyo, sobrang battery lang. Hey, it glides very well. Para siyang, hindi siyang brown, para siyang like nude brown. Hindi ko siya ma-explain. By the way, this one is YSL lipstick. One time, si Ma'am Joris yung nag-introduce sa akin ito kasi binigyan niya ako ng items from Massy. So, nag-send siya nung nakaraan sa akin last year. I think, yeah, that was last year. And I was like shocked. So, yung binigay niya sa akin is yung red naman na lipstick. This one. Red na red, diba? Look. Then, I use this one, but I'm not really, sinabi ko nun ulit, into red lipstick. My husband is outside talking to somebody. So, anyway, guys, I'll just finish myself. Tapos na yung ano ko. Ako na lang talaga, wait. I'll just bring this bag. Ma'am Ami gave me. Thank you so much. Kausap ni Belly yung nurse, I think. Or doctor, I don't know. Assistant. So, are you cold? Are you cold? Let's go. It's not open, babe.
Your bias is your personality.
Your bias is your person. Maldita ka? We have to go back to the first oral surgeon?
Well, they did a CT scan.
When we visited them last time. So, tumawag sa kanya yung ano guys, yung ngayon suppose yung kanyang appointment is 9. So, bakit kayo lang tumawag? Nag-ask kung meron bang, was it MIR or CT scan, whatever, from the previous visit sa oral surgeon. Sabi ko, bakit ngayon lang kayo tumawag? Dapat last week pa para ma-prepare namin yung paper na yun. At ngayon, we need to like go there and go to them after. Oh, madugay-dugay yun yung absent. Okay, we need to go and get you CT scan first before we head to your appointment. Supposed today, 9. I'm like, just a little bit, it's frustrating kasi College Station pa siya. It is like 20 minutes away. Depende sa traffic. And then itong asawa ko man. Makaadto ka, I don't know, maybe like before lunch.
There's no way we can avoid being late.
Yeah, but you told them that it's
I
possible.
told them we'd probably be 10-15 minutes late
Yeah.
if it's ready when we get there. And
They have it already, but they just have
they
to
have
print.
it, but they have to put it on a disk. It's just saved on a computer. It's not on.
Oh.
And they don't have the ability to send it digitally.
So, we are here. Hindi ko na alam yung anong pangalan ng oral surgeon na to, guys. We were here last time. And, anong oras na? 8:48. What do you need? I'm not bringing anything. Well, I brought one phone. And pick up lang namin yung CD, which is the CT scan na kailangan ng other oral surgeon. Nakakainis. I'm just like a little bit annoyed bakit ngayon lang sila tumawag to ask us about the CT scan, because if we only knew about it like 2 days ago or 3 days ago, hindi sana kami very rush to get it now. And I'm like hoping that it was there ready to pick up like right now, kasi yung appointment ng anak ko suppose 9 in the morning. Well, hindi pa naman siya 9, 8:49. So we are hoping na ready na siya to pick up. And sabi ng asawa ko kanina, they cannot be able to send digital things, so it needs to be in CD daw talaga. So they have to prepare it for us. And yung anak ko masaya to pag hindi na puntang school daw.
Except sa 4th period.
Except sa 4th period. Ang dirty ng ating car. I need to clean the car. Parang malumi na yung ating car. Guys, meron akong improvement sa ating backyard. Yesterday, as in, pinag-anuhan ko talaga yung backyard. Kasi I wanted to start making progress, and then thankful naman ako sa husband. My husband is really great. Supportive. He's helping me a lot. Like taking me to Duplex just to get those yung soil na sinasabi ko nung nakaraan, compost. At the same time, yung mga blocks na kailangan ko, I just need blocks so I can make landscape sa backyard and even front yard. I've been asking him kung pwede ko bang, yay, it's there. Good. Dito na si daddy. Mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo yung improvement ng aming backyard. You have it? Okay, good. Elite Oral and Facial Surgery, College Station. Ito. Dito kami nung nakaraan, this one. Anyway. So we are going on our next. We are in College Station. It's in the different side. I think we can make it at 9.
Maybe.
Well, maybe not. It's 8:51 already. What will you say? Are you ready for your teeth na maibot?
Karon?
Not now. Your face. We're still doing like second opinion.
Hala!
What?
Wala lagi.
Daddy, what do you see?
Lip.
What do you see? Is Philippines there? No. Tell me, how do you feel now? It's different here.
Relaxed.
Relax.
Normal.
Yeah.
That way, but it's okay.
We're dropping Nicole. Why?
Oh, 4 minutes lang.
4 minutes na lang. Okay. For your next class then. We are done with her appointment, so we're dropping her
Hindi ko sa class ni Lydia.
sa school.
I mag-walk me together.
Okay. Do we have to like go and
Well, we should walk in with her probably.
we are home. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys itong ating yard. Ito yung ginawa ko kahapon. I've been working on this like for hours. Come on. Nilagay namin yung mga blocks na kinuha namin sa duplex. Because this is something new. This is new. Like, if you remember, me and my husband went to Walmart or Lowe's just to pick up some plants and flowers. And I've got this one. This one, nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan nito, but shrub siya. So, lalaki siya. And then, basta, maganda to guys. Pag how do you call this one? You're gonna trim it and then shape it. Like this one as well. So, nung nakaraan, binili ko siya one pot. Pero, nakita ko kasi like, ay, limang stem. So, siniparate ko. Ginawa ko siyang 2. And then, thank God kasi, I thought, nung time na na-plant ko siya dito, I was like, oh my gosh, wag kang mamamatay, please lang. Kasi I got this one for like $11 and $11 is expensive for me. So sabi ko, wag kang mamamatay. And then, look, I think the plant like it that I separate them. Kasi nung nakaraan, sobrang pongpong yung mga roots niya ba, all together. And then, you remember, this one, ito naman, this one is actually may nagtatrabaho sa next house, by the way, kaya maingay dyan, sa kabila. This one is, we have this in the Philippines, sobrang ayaw natin to kasi mabaho, diba? Marigold. So, may na-realize ako, guys, or may realization ako, narinig ko lang to sa YouTube, na marigold is really good when it comes to planting. If you have vegetables, flowers, kasi si marigold daw nag-a-attract daw siya ng mga bees. That's why kahit mabaho ka, huwag mo lang simhutin. I just got it just for bees, kasi bees, pag may bees, meaning maraming flower, it can produce more flower daw. That's what I just heard. I'm not an expert. And this one is just miniature rose. So maliit to siya, guys. Like maliit, hindi siya yung rose na malaki. But I just put it there. Hopefully it will survive. Kasi marami din akong naririnig about this one na hindi daw nagsusurvive yung many roses. Ito din, mini roses. Ito yung natatawa ako kasi binibili talaga siya dito. Like $6 yung pot niya, and in the Philippines, wala to eh. Parang tinatapo na nga lang natin to. But yeah, just to add color in our backyard, this one. Yan, ito naman, polka dots plant. They call it polka dot plant. Lalaki siya, guys. Hindi sobrang laki, but dadami. Easy to propagate this one kasi yung stem niya, pwede mo lang siya like kutloon ba, and then put it in a pot, and then mag roots na din siya. So easy to propagate this one. This one is easy to propagate then. They're the same. Polka dot plant. And then like I'm just looking like, diba nagiging different na siya when you have something in your backyard. Kasi nung nakaraan wala talaga to. Ito lang, this tree lang. And then now we have this. Huy, wag mong apakan yung aking flower. Like it looks good. So hopefully like mag-grow siya, and then dadami yung stem and everything, and then we will add more flower pa. I'm just trying to like nagsiseeds na ako. Nilagay ko na sa loob. Pero yung ating strawberry ay wala. Like it here, Kali. Ano pala ako, guys? Nagmarkot ako ng ating trees. Ito yung sinabi ko. Nagsabi ba ako nito? Nagmarkot ako kasi I wanted to plant another tree on that side. Sabi ng asawa ko, gusto niya may kahoy dyan. Ngayon, no? It gives more flower this time, I think, because I'm trying to, parang gihabok-habukan ako na, guys. Akala ko noon shrub lang siya, guys, pero look, you can see, diba may white, bulaklak pala siya. Talagyan din natin to somewhere out there. We're picking up Ashley.
Can't hear anything over the aircon or wind blowing.
I want to ask her because she is cutting her bangs. Do you know that Nicole and her cutting her bangs last night? Show me. Ay, pagpiyat. Aron di na mabuak.
Di ko mo trust niya. Iya na
Ay,
gibuhat kay.
pagpuyo,
Gusto siya masalon. Like, iyang iyos akong buhok para wig.
Ano yung future wig?
Bunalan, tika.
O puyo, di ka puyo.
That's too baga. Paglihok. Gusto daw niya magpabangs. O, ayan
Sa
na.
ate, mag-i-force ko niya.
Ay, kayo baka ikaw yung gusto mong
Mag-i-force
bangs.
ko niya.
Nicole, ikaw man din nag-force, Nicole.
Igan ako sila, gi-force ko nimo.
What is she doing? Oh. Hi. Hi. Why did you hide your bangs?
Does your seatbelt work?
Can you put your seatbelt? Yes. Okay. We're downtown and stopping by in Post Office. Oh no. Nag-aantay talaga. Well, show me your bangs. Show me your bangs. I'm proud of myself because I'm cutting it. What do you mean? Don't do this. It's ugly. It's pretty kaya. It looks nice. Anyway. Dito nga kami sa post office because we're still waiting for Yashli's SSN. Yun na talaga yung hinihintay ng asawa ko, guys. Like, we got all the green cards, so we're good. But then, yung SSN, which is apparently needed for like, before he filed taxes daw, sabi niya. Kasi, it helps. So, we were waiting. You're home and she's eating Cheetos. Oh my goodness. Why are you like, put your bangs because it looks nice on you. See? You want me to cut more? No? Oh, ito yung ginagawa nila kagabi. We're... Good morning! Oh, my... Good morning, we're watching. Very supportive naman yan. Good morning, Daddy. We're doing mukbang. My last video posted. Oh, stew. Kasi sila Ma'am and Belle is nagpunta sa appointment Ma'am. So, dinala ni Belle. Hina pala to siya nakarating ng bahay. Kaya nag-computer. What are you doing? You have mathematics test tomorrow. I receive a call. Okay. So, I think you need to... What do you mean You need to study. What are you doing?
Wala.
What is that?
La.
Come on. You need to study. You need to study. Yashli, where's the remote? Daddy's looking. Callie, you like it when there's new people coming around and pet you, don't you? No? Then this one, nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan ng flower na to, but ito, kailangan namin ito dalhin sa duplex para matanim. Kasi mahal tong grass na to dito sa US, guys. So, yan yung grass na nakuha ko dito kasi tinanggal ko yung grass anyway. Yashli, Nicole, you need to shower na. Come on. Come on, guys, shower. Ito, mga nalabhan na to. Wait, sabi. Naku, kailangan ko lang itong i-fold. Diba? Ang dami kong nalabhan na, guys. It needs to be folded. Then, hindi na ako magluluto because meron kaming pagkain sa refrigerator. I just need to, like, reheat it. And pati yung ating rice. Yung mga bata lang yung kakain. Tapos na ako kumain kanina eh. Wait. Nagpunta yung kapitbahay namin, like, the front, the second from there. Nag-talking kasi same silang dalawa, like, retired military. Dinala yung asawa niya. So, nakapag-usap kami. Like, it was a long 1 hour, more than an hour talk. That was nice. It's nice kasi, like, makikilala mo yung, like knowing, you know, neighbor. Para pag, sometimes, they were talking about, like, meron kaming, parang, all together na street, na, parang, gathering, like, with a, street, within this street lang ba, like mga neighborhood, nag-uusap sila about like kainan sa labas, yung mga ganon. It would be nice to do that para makilala yung mga kapitbahay. Here. Yan, pork yan. Niluto ko sa oven. And the girls can eat this one for dinner. And yung asawa ko tapos na yung kumain, so I don't have to. And then, last time, nag-grill naman kami. So, meron siyang marami siyang food. Diyan sa refrigerator, ito right here. But he's finished eating. Paliguan na si ate. She needs to... Ay, oh no. Hindi pala siya na-fit dyan. Tell ate na she needs to ligo. Magkakat tayo. And then, lagay natin sa... Cut natin siya. And then, lagay natin sa... Here.